Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in the Rajouri district in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops cordoned off the Malti area and the will continue to endanger peace in South Asia. Illegally detained all parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt has welcomed the Organization of Islamic Cooperation statement over the recent verdict of Indian Supreme Court against the special status of occupied Kashmir and warned that the denial of the Kashmiris' right to self-determination by India will continue to endanger the peace in South Asia. According to Kashmir Media Service, Musarrat Alam Butt, in a special message from the New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, asked why New Delhi has converted it into an open-air jail. A woman Lieutenant Colonel of the Indian Army posted in occupied Kashmir has lodged a rape case against a colleague of the same level and his mother in the Uttar Pradesh state of India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the woman officer has said that the accused army officer promised to marry her and had been involved in extramarital relations with her. Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama Jammu and Kashmir has strongly reacted against registration of a case against the Majlis member and religious leader Agha Sayyid Hassan Al-Musfi on the ridiculous charges of spreading religious animosity. According to Kashmir Media Service, the MMU in a statement issued in Srinagar said Agha Musfi has always tried to promote sectarian unity. People's Democratic Party has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party divided the land and resources of occupied Kashmir for the benefit of its cronies and used brute majority in parliament to pass laws that disempower the territory's people. According to Kashmir Media Service, the PDP statement came in the backdrop of the Indian Supreme Court's verdict against the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. Caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Kakar on Thursday visited Yadgar-e-Shohda in Azad Kashmir to pay tributes to the martyrs of the sacrifices their life in the freedom movement in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, on the occasion, the Prime Minister laid floral wreath at the Yadgar-e-Shohda to pay homage to the valiant soldiers of the armed forces.